Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how you can extend the pattern space of your wig, and it's very interesting. You can even go as far as making your wig into a full lace wig, and if you want to see how to do that, watch to the end of the video. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I am using my 360 frontal wig. You guys, this wig is not new to this channel. I have another video where I show you guys how to make a 360 frontal wig, and that is the same wig that I'm using. I think that was 2 years ago or maybe a year ago. I think no, in fact it was when I started eyebrows. Yeah, so that's it. So this is, I'm just showing you how short it is, and then I'm showing you like how long I want the thing to be, so that when you're parting it goes right to the back. Because I think this is like 360 times 3 or 360 times 4, and I want like a 360 times 6, if you get what I mean. So what you're going to do is you're just going to place the wig or the 360 frontal down on the mannequin head, and then you're going to go ahead and start pinning it into place so that it doesn't move when it gets to the part where you have to actually do the work. For this, I'm using regular swing pins because I cannot find my T-pins, so there's that. Now you're going to take some hair. I'll advise you to use longer hair, because like when you're ventilating hair, you're going to like bend it in the middle, so use longer hair. But I use short hair because I did not have like any long hair at the moment. So you're just going to comb that out to remove all of the beards, as they call them, like those shorter parts that hang on the weft. And then when you're combing out, you're going to be left with just that part. So this is what your hairline track should look like. And if you want your hair to look seamless, you should do it is it diagonally, like you should follow the tracing I was doing. Don't do it straight. It's not going to look nice. Or explain in a bit, but you know the drill if you've been watching my videos. Yeah, I'm just going to start ventilating the hair. This process is also very time consuming, so I'll advise you to pick your favorite Netflix show and then go ahead and put that on, and while you do it, but you know the drill, you're going to insert the hook underneath, and then you're going to pull it out, and then you're going to pull the hair, and voila, lace closure has emerged. I'm just going to fast forward this part because it's really the same thing. You're going to do this and do this. I typically take a lot of this to do this thing because it's very boring, honest to God. It's very boring. I don't like doing it, but I had to do it because I want to sleep, so I have to put in the work. So once you've done that, this is how it should look like. It kind of added like say 1.5 inch, but as you can see, my pattern space is longer, and that's all I really wanted in the first place. This is my frontal that is balding. Like, I'm tired of this frontal, so I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to come back. So this is like the magic of this video. So you see that thing I just did, that the whole ventilating thing? Yes, this is where you can transform your 360 to like unlock a whole different, I don't want to say the word, but a whole different boss lady thingy. You know what I actually want to say. So yeah, you can actually cut from a frontal, but the way frontals are expensive now, babes, please just go ahead and DIY your own like I did. So I took like 4 days to do this thing, and then now I'm just going to pin it down in place in the middle of my 360 frontal, and then I'm going to use some transparent fishing line. The fishing line is already transparent. I'm going to use some fishing line, aka transparent thread, and then I'm just going to sew it down all round. Like, I'm going to connect it to the main frontal itself, and then I'm going to sew it around so that I can connect it to the cap. This is what it should be looking like when you're done, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks like. And now you're going to sew your tracks in those pieces that are left there. Like, you're going to sew your hair in those pieces, and then when you take it off, this is what your inside, like this is what the inside of your cap should look like. And that's just like part of the magic. Okay, like we're getting to the good part. Yeah, so you're going to braid it down, and you're going to sew it. Since I use the sewing machine, I do not want any interference. So this is my wig at the end of all the you know, all the touch-ups and everything. And this is what it looks like. I'm just brushing it out so that you can like see how luscious my hair is. Also, this hair is like 2 years old and it's still very good. You should buy a wig for me. I'm just brushing it out, and then I'm kind of showing you. Okay, so this is what I was talking about when I was saying that do it diagonally, because when you part your hair, it's not going to be as seamless as the original closure. Like, see the original closure, are you seeing how seamless it is? You're not seeing that much demarcation, but because me, I was lazy, and also I did not know why people were doing it in that triangular, like from me when I did my own thing, and this is what I have to live with. So I am begging you people, follow the right rules so that you don't have to make the same mistake. But yeah, I'm just patting the hair to show you guys how it actually looks. And now, since I have alopecia and my hair is not growing, I can actually, you know, like just do pigtails, do ponytails, just do whatever thing I want to do. Because I've done this, my hair is now very versatile. So I'm just going to brush it out, and then I'm going to put in like some fake pigtails so that you can see what's going on, and you can see how how functional the whole lace closure thing is. I was actually even doing this for those, is it Dutch or French braids, those braids that people actually do. I always like that thing, but whenever people do it, it's like a pet peeve. It's like a hair pet peeve, you know, like when people do it and then you can see the tracks in that middle part. That thing always throws me off. So that's one of the main reasons why I did this thing, so that if I do those French braids, my tracks are going to be seamless. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys again what it looks like. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to style my hair so that I can come back and show you guys all the good stuff and the magic. So here I am, people. Look at the back, look at how good I look. Hey God, see picking. Hi guys, we've come to the end of my video. So as you can see, my hair looks luscious, it's beautiful. See the parting, it goes right down to the back. See the extension, like everything is looking cute, everything is looking the way it has to look. So thumbs up to that. If you don't want to try it, go ahead and do it. It's going to make your wigs look way nicer. Check out the back. Okay. Alright, so that's it for the end of my video. Don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. What's important, don't forget to share with your friends, family, everybody. Like, literally just share it. I'm always welcome to new people on my channel. As always, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.